If you are like me and you like your food tasting really good with some natural flavors, then I got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing with you step by step on how I made these green cubes with some natural herbs that are readily available. I'll be using them in my stews and other dishes to take them to the next level. To get started, I'm using some leftover cilantro from my last video that I have harvested from my kitchen garden. I had already salted them up, cleaned them, and I'm now slicing them into big chunks. I'm cutting them into big chunks because I'm going to be blending them. And then I set them aside, ready for the next step. I'm also going to be using some spring onions, celery, green bell peppers, ginger, and garlic. Right here, I'm trimming off this section of my spring onions. I'll be planting them in my kitchen garden, and I'll be showing you that part later in this video. So please stick until the end. Next, I'm going to be prepping the ginger and the garlic off camera. This is because it takes a little bit of time and I don't want to take you through this. So at this point, everything has already been well cleaned up. We have the celery, we have the green bell peppers, we have the spring onions, the ginger, the garlic, and those are the offcuts from our spring onions, and at the back there we have the cilantro. I'm now slicing up the spring onions into big chunks, and I'm going to be doing the same for the rest of these herbs. And as you continue to watch, I really want to appreciate all the new subscribers from the Bichanga family and Corey the Traveler. You guys have shown me a lot of love and I really do appreciate. Thank you for subscribing. And in case you have not subscribed to my channel, I do want to request you to subscribe so you can help me grow this young channel. And to all my old subscribers, you know that I always do appreciate you. Thank you so much for your support. And let us return the love to the Bichanga family by going to their channel and subscribing. I'm going to share the link of their channel in the comment section so you can go and subscribe to their channel. I'm using the herbs that I usually use for my cooking, so this will be different from everybody, so just use what best work for you. And off to the blender. I'm adding a little olive oil to make it easy for my blender. And amazingly, everything fitted into that blender without having to do it in parts. So, after I was done blending, I'm now putting this puree into ice trays. So it is like a spoonful each. And then I'm making sure that the lines are all clear, so it'll be easy for me to separate them when I'm all done. And the remaining puree, I put it in some other containers, which are also gonna go into the freezer. And you see how nice they look. I'm going to cover everything up and then I'm going to throw them into the freezer. Remember the offcuts from my spring onions? I'm now planting them in my kitchen garden, trusting that they'll give us a bountiful harvest. So be on the lookout. And that garden is lily gardening. So the next day is here and the green cubes are well formed. I'm now removing them and getting them ready for storage. So the plan is to throw them into my stews and other recipes that will need the use of these cubes, hence eliminating the use of commercial spices. And I hope you have been inspired by this video. So I hope you have been inspired by this video to go and make your own green cubes at home. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He make His face shine upon you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.